In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Illustrator Error 5000, also known as Error ID -5000, which usually appears when you try to save or export a file in Adobe Illustrator. This error is actually more common than most people think, and it usually happens because Illustrator doesn't have the right permissions to write files to a specific folder or drive. The good news is that this issue is usually very easy to fix once you know what's causing it. In this guide, I'll walk you through several simple solutions step by step so you can get back to saving your Illustrator files normally. Make sure you watch until the end because some of the later fixes solve the problem when the basic solutions don't work. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should try is saving your file to a different location. Error 5000 is usually a permissions issue, which means Illustrator may not have access to the folder you're trying to save to. Go to File, then click Save As, and instead of saving to the same folder, choose a simple location like your desktop or your Documents folder. If the file saves successfully there, then the issue is not with Illustrator itself. It means the original folder or drive you were using has restricted permissions or is being controlled by your system security settings. In that case, you can either continue working from a different folder or adjust the permissions on the original location later. If saving to a new location didn't fix the problem, the next thing you can try is changing the file format temporarily. Sometimes the Illustrator file itself becomes slightly corrupted, which prevents it from saving normally. Go to File, then choose Save As, and try saving the file as a PDF, an SVG file, or even a PostScript file with the .ps extension. Once the file is saved in that format, reopen the new file inside Illustrator. After opening it again, try saving it back as a normal Illustrator AI file. This process often rebuilds the file structure and removes the error. Another very effective fix is copying your artwork into a completely new document. To do this, open your current Illustrator project. Press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac to select all the artwork. Then press Ctrl-C or Command-C to copy it. Next, create a brand new Illustrator document. Once the new document opens, paste the artwork using Ctrl-V or Command-V. After everything is pasted into the new file, try saving this new document as an AI file. If the original file had internal corruption, this method usually fixes it instantly. Now let's look at a system-level fix that solves permission problems. Try running Illustrator as an administrator. Close Illustrator completely, then find the Illustrator icon on your computer. Right-click the icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives Illustrator elevated permissions, so it can write files to folders that might normally be restricted. If you're on Windows, you should also check your antivirus software or Windows-controlled folder access feature. Some security programs block applications from writing files to certain folders, which can trigger the Error 5000 message. If controlled folder access is enabled, make sure Illustrator is allowed to access your folders. Finally, let's go through a couple of advanced Adobe fixes that can solve this issue if it keeps appearing. First, disable background saving. In Illustrator, go to Preferences by pressing Ctrl or Command-K. Then open File Handling and Clipboard and uncheck the option called Save in the Background. This forces Illustrator to save files directly instead of using the background save system, which can sometimes cause permission conflicts. Another advanced fix is clearing your PDF preset settings. Corrupted PDF settings can sometimes trigger this error when Illustrator tries to process file data during saving. On Windows, go to your App Data folder and locate the Adobe PDF Settings folder. On macOS, go to your Library folder and find the Adobe PDF Settings location. Once you find the Settings folder, rename it to something like Settings_Old. When Illustrator launches again, it will automatically create a fresh Settings folder, which can remove the corruption causing the error. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix Illustrator Error 5000 and get your files saving normally again. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Adobe Illustrator fixes and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.